Hey guys, I'm back, and this is part 4, and now I really think the rain is coming. As you can't really see it because, oh yeah, it is coming. It's gonna rain here in like just a couple minutes, and anyway, so it's almost about to pour down. And it's still a flood watch until I think 6 p.m. still. So let's go look out my other window. Let's see how much rain we have here. Oh yeah, it's raining a little bit here. Yeah, it's raining here. You can't really see the rain. No, you can't really see it. So anyway. There's Olivia talking to Mom. It's coming on. It's raining here, you can't see it.
Your current condition.
So anyway. Part 5 is going to be next. So, making it. Oh wow. It's about to come here.
Your local forecast.
It's not windy yet, but it's supposed to rain hard. I can tell you that. You can see a little bit right there.
Your current conditions.
You can't really see the rain. And the weather shows it's sunny right now. But it's raining here, so that's crazy. Okay guys, part 5 is next.